Let's make sure everything's ready. Start the shift.
My name is Tyler Sinclair. I'm a police officer for the city of Big Lake.
Make sure all the batteries are charged up.
Been here a year and a half. I first got my start in law enforcement as a police explorer.
We got our cameras, iPads, and controllers all ready to go.
I absolutely love technology, and every piece of it that we could integrate and use to our officers' benefit or the community's benefit, we've grabbed and run with typically ahead of the curve.
I thought it was pretty cool when I was looking at their Facebook page before I came to an interview here. I found they had body cameras. I found that they had a recently acquired UAV drone. They have so many technology and just equipment for their officers that help keep the officers safe and keep the community safe. I responded to a call for service in Becker. They requested my assistance with the UAV drone. They had an individual who was reported to be missing. They threatened law enforcement, and they threatened to shoot and kill a police officer if one comes near them. It was probably around 10 o'clock at night. It was dark out, and we have it's like a night vision flare camera. I spotted a heat source underneath a tree. You know, it was kind of hard to see what it was at first, but it looked to be more like a person laying down. So I was able to guide the deputies down the road, and so they eventually approached and found it was the individual we were looking for. He was taken into custody without incident. You know, we don't want to see people harm themselves and if they're going through a tough time. And the drone was a very awesome tool in this case.